So I'm preparing to weld these two pieces of tube back. This was the PTO guard that I had to cut where it was damaged. And I've made a mark here where I want the two pieces to line up. And also, I've got this clamped to my steel pedestal. And I've ground away a little fresh metal here so I can get a good ground, clean metal. And I've ground the paint off of these edges. I'm going to be just lightly welding this because it's going to be kind of hard to get this lined up and not don't want to weld through it and make the ID larger because then it won't slide on. This is the outer tube. So I've got the just feeling for a good smooth and I'm sliding a washer in here just to get it lifted up just slightly. I'm going to be using the MIG welder. And I'm going to have to move the camera back because the splatter will definitely ruin the lens on the camera. Ask me how I know. I'll move the camera back what I hope is a safe distance. Going to be using the famous Cherokee welding helmet. Love these things. Got a video about them. The chin makes it very unique. So here's the outer shaft welded back together. I didn't bother sanding it all the way like I would a car body or something like that. I'm just got the a little bit of the roughness out of it.